We have to make sure that the politicians are held accountable.
Every administration had the ability to put a ban on asbestos.
When it comes to asbestos, it really is about power, money, and politics.
Next we have Earl Daughter. A couple years ago I actually got one of the posters that we have in back here, and I framed it and put it right outside my office so that every day when I go into work I see Earl's work, and I recommend that you do that as well. Earl.
So I just to move. Okay. Good morning, asbestos fighters. That is what we have to be in this day and time. And so the badges exhibit has evolved to reflect where we are. And asbestos fighters like Pat Morrison, 21 years, a rank and file firefighter, is protecting firefighters who are in exposure situations twice what we experience. Pat Morrison was representing the firefighters, 343 who were lost on 9/11. They went in where no one else would go, in harm's way. And his work allows us to see someone who is protecting us as well as protecting the firefighters themselves. The good Dr. Roger Flores, I had the privilege of photographing him this year at work in what was called an open and shut case. What that means is, with exploratory surgery, it was discovered there was no way to help this individual. It was beyond the realm of medical possibility. Well, Pat Morrison represents firefighters who were emergency responders. There were legions of individuals who came to Lower Manhattan in the aftermath of 9/11 to rescue and recover. Those individuals are at risk today, and we need to protect them as they have protected us. The firefighters were there to recover what was left of their brothers and sisters, and the huge number of casualties that were taken on the Twin Towers. The emergency responders are heroes of a special kind. On the right, the photo of a Teamster. He is giving a thumbs up because he represented a can-do attitude that we can prevail in the midst of this tragedy. And that's the attitude we need to reflect today as we fight asbestos. It's a job we need to be committed to night and day. At Mount Sinai, I photographed the responders as they were receiving care in the medical monitoring program there. And there was a political fight to just protect those who put themselves at risk. And they didn't have the support to look for their own health until there was a public outcry to accomplish that. And so it's a sad story when individuals who have been taken as they have protected us still continue to do the good work, those that follow them. And so, in the words of the good Dr. Flores, no asbestos, no mesothelioma. No asbestos, no mesothelioma. Thank you.